If you're using sunscreen every day but still getting dark skin, tanning, or damage, this video will shock you, because your sunscreen might be failing you. Hey beautiful soul! Welcome to Better Health. Today I'll reveal the biggest sunscreen mistakes ruining your skin even if you use SPF 50. Mistake number 1. Not using enough sunscreen. Most people apply sunscreen like moisturizer. That's wrong. You need 2 full finger lengths just for your face. Anything less equals zero protection. Mistake number 2. Skipping reapplication. Sunscreen works only 2 to 3 hours. Sweat, oil, and sunlight break it down. If you don't reapply, your skin is exposed. Mistake number 3. Indoors equals no sunscreen. UV rays pass through windows. Even sitting near a window causes pigmentation and aging. Mistake number 4. Using only SPF number. SPF protects from UVB, not UVA. Always choose broad spectrum SPF 30+. Mistake number 5. Applying after makeup. Sunscreen must be applied before makeup, not after. Makeup on top of sunscreen is protection, not the other way. Mistake number 6. Ignoring body parts. Neck, hands, legs, feet. These age faster than your face. If your legs are darker, this is why. How to use sunscreen correctly. Apply 15 to 20 minutes before sun. Use enough quantity. Reapply every 2 to 3 hours. Broad spectrum SPF. Daily, even indoors. Healthy skin isn't about expensive products, it's about correct habits. If this helped you, like, share with someone who needs this, and subscribe for real beauty and health tips.